Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2024 Jaguar F-Type. The 2024 Jaguar F-Type has been awarded the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025, reflecting its remarkable combination of exhilarating performance, elegant design, and high-end features. As Jaguar's flagship sports car, the F-Type continues to captivate enthusiasts with its dynamic driving experience and sophisticated luxury. Exhilarating performance and precision handling. The 2024 Jaguar F-Type offers a thrilling driving experience with a choice of potent engines and advanced handling systems. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine delivering 296 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, providing brisk acceleration and responsive handling. For those seeking even greater performance, the F-Type R variant is equipped with a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engine that produces a stunning 575 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse enables the F-Type R to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The F-Type's rear-wheel drive system, combined with an adaptive suspension and electronically controlled dampers, ensures precise handling and stability. Whether tackling winding roads or enjoying a high-speed run, the F-Type delivers a driving experience that is both engaging and refined. Sleek design and luxurious interior. The 2024 F-Type stands out with its sleek, aerodynamic design, characterized by its low, wide stance and aggressive lines. The car's distinctive front grille, LED headlights, and retractable rear spoiler enhance its sporty appeal while improving aerodynamic performance. Inside, the F-Type offers a luxurious and driver-focused cabin, featuring high-quality materials such as leather, suede, and aluminum. The cockpit includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Jaguar's Pivi Pro interface. The F-Type seats are designed for both comfort and support, ensuring a premium driving experience whether on long journeys or spirited drives. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 Jaguar F-Type is equipped with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, enhancing both safety and convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 Jaguar F-Type's exceptional performance, striking design, and luxurious interior have earned it the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025. With its powerful engine options, agile handling, and premium features, the F-Type remains a top choice for drivers seeking a sports car that offers both excitement and sophistication.